Hello YouTube, and I've currently got today one of these lights. This is a light from a caravan. I guess they're just normal LED lights anyway. But you've got these little clips here holding the roof and an LED driver module on top. And I've already got this one apart, so you can see the board inside, but on the faceplate you have, so it looks like poking out the ceiling. You've got this gaskety, well it's not really gasket, it's like a foam material of the waterproof sort of membrane. Got that gasket thing that goes in there, and you've got the diffuser, and that's all pretty simple and self-explanatory. Inside we have simply, so it's a mains driver, so this is obviously got your mains cable at the end, and a quick disconnect so you can unplug it from the ceiling, and that goes to an LED driver, which is that spec, so it's 300 milliamp driver. Of course the voltage varies depending on the amount of LEDs that you have. And then that goes straight to an LED board here. Now this apparently doesn't work, and I plugged it in and I can confirm it doesn't work. So if we get a meter and buzz out the LEDs, you have to see which ones are and aren't working. So I'll grab a meter and we'll do that. Right, so I've tried to make this as dark as possible, as you can actually see this, but if I get the meter and actually buzz the LEDs out, you should be able to see them lighting up there. Oh, forget good contact. There you go, so they're lit. And you've got a 2.4 volt drop on the meter. And then we go across to the next set. These are all wired, so you've got two in parallel and they're all wired in series. So yeah, I don't know how many in series, but there's two parallel each, so there's two there like lit up. And on this one, there's only one lit up. So probably on this one here, but this one's lighting up. So this one here, this LED, is a dead LED. Go along here. Two lighting up, so they're fine. Change polarity. That change polarity? No, it was that way around. I think the way the tracks are. There you go. Two lit up. This side here. Don't know if you can see that or not. Got one lit up here. Another one lit up over here. Yeah, I think you can see that. That one lit up, and these two here are completely dead. So the negative side is this side. So yeah, so these, and if you look, I don't know if you can see that closely. Can I get closer? Is it in focus? No, it's not in focus. This LED here, where the red lead is, it's got a little black dot on it. So that one is dead, and there is no light coming from it either. But there is light coming from these two. So we got. These two LEDs are dead. Okay. They're okay. They're okay. They're okay. This one here's dead. Yeah, so we've got three dead LEDs. That one, and that one. So if we change them, or at least if we change just one of these two, the whole thing should light up. Obviously we want to change them all. So yeah, we'll change them three and we'll see if it works again. So this is the tape of LEDs I've got to replace them. And looking at them roughly, they are the same-ish size. So we should just be able to desolder these and stick them on. Now what I might use, or try to use, is a hot gun to get these out. And if that doesn't work, I'll just have to use the iron, because I'm thinking that this is going to be an aluminium backed PCB heats, well, hopefully thermal compound, to take the heat out. Obviously if that isn't the case, then that'd be why it's failed, but we'll give it a try for now. So heat gun time. Right, so these are off. So these are our new ones. Let's get this out of here. Had a sharp pair of tweezers, this would be easy, but I don't. make sure we get these all the way around. So your side is this side. So that will go on the board. That way around. That's the negative side there. On that pad. Like that. It actually appear to be a bit brighter. I wonder if that's going to be a problem. Voltage drop is about the same as well. Should go on that side. Like that. Well, let's give them a go first. See what happens. How badly can this go wrong? Not badly at all. So, oh no, drop my LED. Put this over on that pad. Like so. That's the negative side. So it goes up there. That side should be negative. Yep. Yep. Negative side should be that way around, I believe. Yep. I'm making this look easy. It's because I've done this for so long and I'm very talented. If I'm making this look hard, it's because I'm an idiot. Right. There we go. Let's see if this works. Just light up. Oh, got them to not light up. It's a bit weird. Oh well, let's just turn it on and see what happens. Right, turn it on test now. Right, here we go. Power to be applied now. Oh look, it actually works. That's alright, isn't it? There we go, and all of the LEDs, I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if that's going to be too... Make that out. All the LEDs are actually on, so there's not a dead LED on there. That's good. Right, there we go. So, that is one of these LEDs fixed. Now the next step is the person they've got a load of these and they've all failed. So what I was going to do, probably in the next video or something, is after I've got these all repaired and running, is change this driver. Or see if I can reduce the power of this driver just to dim them down a bit and give them a bit more life. Because I think what's happening is they're getting too hot, they're being overrun. So change the driver, make it last a bit longer. Nice. Right, anyway, for now, I'll see you later. Bye for now. Actually, before I go, I thought I'd just show you this all screwed together. So this is what it looks like together. This sits in the ceiling, and that's the light coming out the bottom. It's pretty bright, and you can't see, you know, any spots or anything like that on it. It's looking pretty uniformed, which is good. So that's working. It's fixed at least. What's that? Yeah, but the next thing will be, can I make this more, reduce the power slightly. So it's currently 8, 10, 1 more. Oh no, I'll have a look. I'll have a look. That's enough for a video. Anyway, for now, it's just getting them working. Right. See you later. Bye for now. I really mean it this time. Bye. Ooh.